Proteins are like tiny Lego blocks, each one built from amino acids that snap together to form shapes with specific jobs. One protein, MHC1, acts as a flag for your immune system, helping it spot and fight off viruses or cancer cells. But if there's not enough of the amino acid arginine, these flags get weaker, like missing pieces in a puzzle. AI helps scientists figure out how to fix this, making sure proteins work just right. Proteins like MHC1 act as immune system sentinels, flagging cancer and viruses for destruction. But aging reduces arginine, a key amino acid, weakening this defense. AI helps scientists tweak proteins to restore their power, ensuring stronger immunity even as we grow older. Imagine AI as a sculptor, reshaping proteins in seconds like fine-tuning a statue's details. For example, low arginine levels can stop MHC1 proteins from working properly, weakening immune responses to cancer or viruses. Normally, studying this takes months, but AI analyzes and fixes it instantly using advanced computing. It's not magic. It's solving complex problems faster than traditional labs. AI's Raygun reshapes proteins like a molecular sculptor. Imagine shrinking a protein to fit inside a cell, or stretching it to bind more arginine, a key amino acid that boosts immune function. Low arginine weakens immunity by reducing MHC1 proteins, which help the body fight cancer and viruses. AI tweaks these structures with precision, adding or removing parts to solve nature's puzzles faster than ever. Take arginine deficiency, for example. As we age, our bodies produce less of this amino acid, which is like fuel for immune proteins called MHC1. These proteins act as security guards, spotting and destroying viruses or cancer cells. But without enough arginine, they become weaker, leaving us vulnerable. AI's Raygun steps in here by tweaking the protein structure to work efficiently even with low arginine levels, like adding extra fuel injectors to a car that's running out of gas. Now, let's zoom out from immunity to something even bolder, designing proteins for artificial life. Imagine scientists building organisms from scratch like digital architects crafting living structures. AI Raygun helps tweak proteins to make these synthetic life forms stable and functional. For example, researchers might design a protein that binds perfectly to DNA or creates new metabolic pathways. It's like giving nature a blueprint, but with AI as the master builder. The possibilities? World-changing. From medicine to energy, if we can pull it off without raising too many ethical questions. But even with this power comes responsibility. Like any tool, AI's Raygun has limits. Technical hurdles like batch correction in single-cell models can mess up data if not handled right. And then there are the big questions. Are we playing God by tweaking life itself? Some worry about unintended consequences, like creating artificial organisms that might behave unpredictably or raise ethical dilemmas. Balancing innovation with caution is key to ensuring AI's Raygun stays a force for good. But even with this power comes responsibility. Like any tool, AI's Raygun has limits. Technical hurdles like batch correction can mess up data if not handled right. And then there are the big questions. Are we playing God by tweaking life itself? Some worry about unintended consequences, like creating artificial organisms that might behave unpredictably or raise ethical dilemmas. Balancing innovation with caution is key to ensuring AI's Raygun stays a force for good. But AI's Raygun isn't just futuristic. It's already shaping what we eat and how we heal. Take high-protein foods. Scientists use it to design dips or supplements packed with more muscle-building power than ever before. Or in medicine, imagine tweaking proteins to fight diseases like cancer by boosting immune cells that target tumors. It's not magic. It's precision engineering at the molecular level, turning lab experiments into real-world solutions faster than traditional methods. AI's protein Raygun could revolutionize medicine. Imagine proteins tailored to your DNA, boosting immunity or fighting disease before symptoms appear. Studies show arginine, an amino acid, helps immune cells spot and attack cancer, but levels drop with age. It could also transform lab-grown meat, making it cheaper and more sustainable. But power comes with responsibility. Could tweaking proteins accidentally create unpredictable organisms? The goal isn't to stop progress, but to guide it wisely, ensuring AI stays a force for good. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI's Raygun can design proteins to fight diseases or create artificial life. But we must ask, are we playing God? Could tweaking nature accidentally cause harm? Take arginine, a protein that helps immune cells attack cancer. If we mess up its balance, could it weaken defenses instead? Ethical dilemmas arise when cutting-edge tech races ahead of our ability to foresee consequences. The goal isn't to stop progress, but to guide it wisely. That's how AI stays a force for good. Ready to explore this further? Try Scantra, a Python tool. Find it on PyPI that helps fix biases in AI protein models. Learn how arginine, an amino acid, supports immunity. Low levels may weaken defenses against cancer and viruses, especially as we age. For a hands-on example, try making high-protein apple dip with just 5 ingredients. Remember, these tools are powerful, but require careful use. Share your thoughts below. AI's Raygun can shrink proteins to fight diseases or supersize them for lab-grown meat. But we must use it wisely. Like tweaking a recipe, if you mess up the balance, it could backfire. Think arginine, too little weakens immune defenses. Too much might overstimulate cells. The power to design life is incredible, but ethics can't keep up. That's why responsible innovation matters. Dive into the links below and share your thoughts. Could AI shape the future of protein engineering for good? This technology puts incredible power into our hands, but with it comes responsibility. Could we accidentally weaken defenses or overstimulate cells? Think of arginine. Just the right balance helps immune cells fight cancer. Too little weakens us. Too much might backfire. The goal isn't to stop progress, but to guide it wisely. Dive deeper into AI's Raygun by exploring the links in the description. Share your thoughts. Could this shape the future for good?